What's going on, T's? 03 Saturn fan here with a long time update. Both my cars, of course, or well, if you didn't know, have the factory Saturn Security System. About a month ago, this Camaro, the Viper security system on my mother's 94 Toyota Camry went out. So we had a Avital 4105L keyless entry remote start system put in it. Works very well. Back to my ions, I asked the shop to put them in. Sound Solutions. They have shops here in Greensboro and Winston-Salem. They put them in. There's the remote, if it'll focus. Got the trunks hooked up. There's the remote start button, lock and unlock. $700. That was for both cars, so $350 a car. That's $700 includes tax and everything. The factory keyless entry and alarm still works. So this is for red car. Lock, unlock, hold for the trunk, and put one time for remote start. Cut it back off. So yeah, that's remote start. That's pretty good. I actually like it. They had to put a module in so the car wouldn't think it was being stolen. So yeah, works great. Other update. Leather seats. Back in the Ion 3. I picked these up yesterday. Got the back covered because the dog ruined the back. They're out of a Pontiac G5 GT with the Sound and Sun package. My headrest off my seats. Look good. Paid $110 for seats. Had a little wear. The car I came out of was wrecked or had some damage to it. Paid $110 for them. So, well, my camera is so like bright or whatever. So yeah, this one is like the Ion 3 is like 206, almost 207,000. The white car is almost 169,000. So yeah, come up on time for an oil change. So yeah, it's been a quick little update. I hadn't posted a video in a while, so yeah. Anyways, hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a good New Year, and catch you in the next one.